The mid-size company category recipient of the 2012 Minnesota Business Ethics Award, we should have a drum roll here or something, is Western National Insurance Group. This company is now headquartered in Edina, but it started business in 1900 as the Mutual Creamery and Cheese Factory Fire Insurance Company of Minnesota. Now, turn that into an acronym. And I thought our center had a long name. Its first claim payment was made in 1901 for $5.21. I don't know if you've got any information on that. Anyway, the judges noted a number of features of Western National Insurance's performance that caught their attention. Their mission is to act with integrity in service of others, which in many ways sounds the theme that John was talking about earlier. Very thorough mission statement, not boilerplate, creative implementation. I think there's a contest where there's a random drawing, and if an employee can recite the mission statement, he or she wins a prize. Accident forgiveness. More than 50 years ago, they started a no surcharge promise to not raise rates when a customer had an accident, recognizing that accidents happen. An emergency loan program for employees after 90 days of employment, reflecting a real practical commitment to maintaining an ethical culture and respecting the dignity of employees, as well as providing financial education for employees and wellness as well. And annually, they do a charitable monopoly game with the remaining balance of their charitable contributions, in which they engage employees and enable employees to make choices about where those contributions are directed. The MBEA is very pleased to honor Western National Insurance Group with the 2012 Minnesota Business Ethics Award.
Thanks. I'm Stu Henderson. I work at Western National. Been there about 10 years. We got a couple of folks with us here. One of the two back there has been here 39 years, and we're not going to tell you which one because Mary won't let on. Want to congratulate the other finalists. I think certainly getting nominated is a big deal, and I think that being a finalist is a big deal, and certainly it's an honor to be selected as the ultimate recipient. It's not quite like what New Orleans football, if you lose, you're the the second place is number one loser. That's sort of an ethical issue that those folks have. I think that the other thing I do want to thank volunteers and sponsors as well. With the economy being what it is, we've sort of noticed ourselves that with the economy and with some, I get political here, but discord in the political world, not a lot gets done, and probably won't going forward, without all of us being volunteers and corporately being contributors, because that's really how things get done. We'd rather not be told we have to do it, but I think there's some very big hearts out there, and we should recognize everyone who volunteers and contributes, so thanks for that. The other thing, I think the part of the exclamation point on the irony of a stockbroker at an ethics thing being the guest speaker was I was looking at all the nominees. We've got attorneys, accountants, insurance company, car repair, HVAC contract. Not necessarily the folks that as you grab people in the streets of popularity contests. And I think that the irony and lightness of that aside, that really makes the point, and it makes the point and a message that I intend to carry forward, and I would encourage you as well, which is simply that anybody can and should be ethical. There is no requirement that because of what you're doing, you have to do something different. And better yet, you look at the recipients and the past recipients, all of those people are not just ethical, but they're successful, financially successful. Those are not things that are mutually exclusive. So again, on behalf of Western National, all of our employees, all of our customers, policyholders, thank you very much. Appreciate it.